हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ ऋषभ राज एंड आई एम अ फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट एट बिट्स पे लानी। और बिट्सैट बहुत ही करीब है, एक महीने के आसपास। एंड यू मस्ट नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट एग्ज़ाम इस टाइम पे. So today we will be talking about bonus questions. So bonus questions are a very integral part of the BITSAT exam, because most of the people who bring more than 330 marks, or you may consider more than 300 marks, generally attempt bonus questions. But should you attempt bonus questions? This is the question which came to my mind and comes to a lot of people's mind. Okay, first of all, we would like to know what this bonus question is all about. So what happens in BITSAT is that there is a paper of 450 marks, okay, because there are 150 questions. But if you attempt every single question, okay, we are considering that you are attempting every single question, okay. You have to attempt every single question to unlock that bonus question. And once you have unlocked that bonus question, you cannot go back. So that is why this is a thing which you have to be very serious about. You can't just be that I will attempt bonus question, I will not attempt bonus questions. It's not that simple. It depends a lot on the condition what you are facing while you're in the exam hall. So first of all, I would like to tell you that there are 12 questions, 12 bonus questions extra to the 150 questions that are already available, which you can solve first. The main thing is, if you attempt all the 150 questions and you have time left, then you can go towards the bonus question. So should you attempt or not? The simple question is this. First of all, I would like to tell you something about the bonus questions. I feel bonus questions are a little simpler. Okay, this is just my opinion and I'm not very sure about this. Okay, so the thing is, it depends upon your condition. But I would say ideally the number should be 130. If you are able to make 130 questions, either wrong or right, you don't know that while you are in the exam. In the exam, everything feels like, yeah, this is right. What I mean is that 130 questions should be like, yeah, I made this question, I solved this question, and then I got this answer, and I'm sure that 90% times it must be correct. Okay, we can take a margin of 10%. But the remaining 20 questions, let us say you don't know or you're not able to solve, and there are 12 questions remaining, and you have confidence on your physics, chemistry and maths that I have prepared for JEE and I would perform better in those 12 questions than in these 20 questions which are left, which I have left, which I am not able to solve for sure. And I want to take the risk of going to bonus questions, which is not a very big risk, because let us think that 20 questions are remaining and you guess those 20 questions, but the guess should be also some proper one. Like, you should feel like there's a feeling that comes, yeah, iska answer ye hona chahiye types. Okay, so if that type of guess comes to your mind, and let us say 15 questions go wrong and 5 questions go right, okay, and you do this in like 1 minute, these 20 questions, okay, then what happens is that 15 into 1 is 15 and 5 into 3 is also 15. So it does not impact your marks, and it takes away only your 1 minute, and now you have those bonus questions unlocked. And if in those 12 you can let's say solve 5 or 10, like 5, 6 also, whatever you solve is an extra, okay, because you didn't know the answers of those 20 questions, but now you have those bonus questions in which you have a chance that you may be knowing some answers, and that would only increase your marks. But it can also go other way. If you have more questions left, the safe number according to me should be 20. If you have 20 questions left, and you can then guess 20 questions. But if you have more than 20 questions left, then it's your choice. My recommendation should be that you should try those 30 questions and figure out if you can solve 10 more and not go towards bonus questions. But a lot depends on the exam situation. And also I would suggest the same thing, yeah, that if there are more than 20 questions, it depends on you. My recommendation would be to think wisely and maybe not go towards the bonus questions. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. There's a bit of light problem because a lot of shadow is coming on my face, but you have continued till now. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and share the channel, and yeah, like the video. That's it. Thank you, guys.